welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Stephanie, and today I wanted to bring you a video inspired by the movie Aladdin, which comes out in theaters May 24th. I wanted to transform myself into a Disney princess, so keep on watching. So first I'm gonna start off with my Spray and Slay spray, and I'm gonna be applying the Wet n Wild Photo Focus, but this time it's a different color. As you can tell, Princess Jasmine has like a more tan look. I wanted the look to be as close to her as possible. So I'm gonna apply it all over my face, and I'm gonna have to apply it. As you can tell, there's a big difference, but that's alright. This is my summer foundation. I'm going to use this brush just to spread the color all around my face. Next, I'm going to be applying the LA Color Conceal It in the color Yellow. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Air Spun Face Loose Powder in the color Translucent Extra Coverage. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna start off with, I'll finish with my face later on. I'm just gonna start with my eyes. I'm gonna go in and I am going to apply some of that concealer all over my eyelid. I go in with my foundation brush. Applying this color all over my eyes. And I'm going to be using today a new palette that I purchased at Walmart. It's from the company Profusion Cosmetics in the Wonderlist palette, and these are the colors. So the color that I'm going to be using right now is going to be this color right here. I'm going to go again with this color, and I'm just going to go here in the crease. concealer. I'm going to be using the color Stormy. Go in with this color and maybe a little bit of this color underneath my eye. I'm gonna go in with this brush and I'm gonna use the color Statement. This color right here. And next, guys, I'm going to be lining my eyes with the e.l.f. liquid liner in the color Jet Black. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Mascara in the color Very Black. And next I'm going to be going in with the NYC Big Angel Mascara. Since I'm doing a dramatic Princess Jasmine look, I wanted to do another layer of mascara. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to remove all this off my face. So guys, now that I'm done with the eyes, I know I gotta do my eyebrows. I want to finish up my face first, and I'm gonna be putting on the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color Golden Beige so we can complete this look. Next, I'm gonna be going in with my contour, and I'm gonna be using this color. I'm going to contour my nose. I'm going to use this brush, and I'm going to use the same color here. I'm going to go in with this color right here. Okay, now for my blush, I am going to use a little bit of this color and a little bit of this color here. Alright, next, guys, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. Oh, Princess Jasmine, she has very thick eyebrows, and I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild black eyeshadow in the color Panther. Guys, I'm going to use this color right here, Frosting. I'm going to apply that right here in my tear dot. I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild highlight in the color Blossom Glow. So to complete my Jasmine look, I'm going to be applying the LA Color matte lipstick in the color Tender. I just purchased this a few days ago and I've been dying to try it. Apply the LA Color Shiny Gloss in the color Twinkle. Yes. that's it for this look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I did. If you guys want to see more videos like this where I transform myself into another Disney princess, then comment down below. I can turn this into a series. And also let me know if you guys go and see the movie. I know I'm going to be going with the girls. I'm super excited. I love all the Disney movies. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share. And again, guys, thank you all for your support. I appreciate it. I love you. And until next time, guys, bye. Mwah.